Hello everybody, Derek here from Addictive Tips. In this video, I will show you how you can overclock your Nvidia graphics card on Linux. So to start off, check my article in the description and learn how to install Green with Envy. So this is very important. Once you have it installed, you need to make sure that you're using the Nvidia drivers, because if you're not, well, then it's not going to work. So as you can see, I've got my GeForce GTX 1060 6GB, and I've got all this stuff here. And now I can modify the voltage quite easily because I have everything set up, and I can quickly click apply and enter my password. And the reason that is because I enabled CoolBits. Now CoolBits is a setting that you have to enable, and what it will do is it will overwrite your XOR configurations. And basically how it works is it's the X11 settings that your Nvidia drivers use, and it will look for this, and this will allow you to modify it with the program. So to enable this so that you can modify and change your power limits, you're going to have to do sudo nvidia xconfig --cool--bits equals 12. Now the reason I'm going with 12, in the program it'll say 8 or 4. 8 is for the power modification and 4 is for the fan control. If you set 12, you can do both. So 8 plus 4 is 12. So you enter that and it will swap out the old config with the new one, and then you can close that out. Don't need that anymore. Open up Green with Envy. Now from here, this is where you guys really need to pay attention. So overclocking is not an easy thing to understand. You need to understand how voltages work, and so we can modify and we can look at our temperatures here. So, you know, my general rule is if you're overclocking, if you want to get a little bit more performance, increase it by 5%. So we're running at 120 stock. If I want to overclock it a little bit, I'm going to set it to, let's say, probably about here. I'm going to enter my password, and that will change the power limit just a little bit. It's, you know, I can't do benchmarks right now, but we can look at our temperatures and we can make sure that everything is okay. You can also check different profiles. You can change the GPU offsets, and the max power wattage you can go to is 140. So don't go nuts, but that's how it works. You can also undervolt it if you want to. Not really sure why you'd want to do that. And if you enable the fan controls and mess with that, you can modify that as well. So just a quick little overview on how to modify and overclock your Nvidia graphics card with Green with Envy. Pretty simple, and lots of information on how to do this in the article as well. It'll explain it a little bit better in more depth than I did in this video, but please check that out. And until next time, I will see you guys in the next video.